Hey guys, how's it going? It is Thursday, March 25th. It is, what time is it? Jeez, 4:25 p.m. Okay, so what did I do today? Well, if you remember, I was swinging WYNN and Home Depot, right? HD. And I said that I was swinging from yesterday. I opened them yesterday, and I said that I was willing to hold. And when I had April's first $300 calls, so this dip did nothing for me, and then the gap down did even less for me, right? Then today, everything, I don't know, like Powell said that the economy was going to recover, so that there could be less stimulus, and the market did not like that at all. I'm guessing that's a lot of newcomer traders, like relying on their stimulus to trade, right? Great. So, regardless, we managed to go back up, right? And after this swing, we went straight up. Boom, 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 boom. Now, this is yesterday's high of the day in the morning, right? This one. Interestingly enough, we did not break it. We retraced. We retested yesterday's pre-market high, which was a key level. You can see here that it stopped. It stopped here and it stopped here, right? Now, when it broke it, that's when I got out. I said, you know what? No. I said I was willing to hold it, but come on. I didn't need to take a bigger loss than I already was. And this was a bigger loss. It was a, sorry, let me tell you exactly. 47.30% loss. With options, that's average, right? Many people take 50% losses with options, but to me that's just huge. It's too big, right? I don't like to let my losses run more than 25%. Full disclosure, here it was actually less than 25% that I was losing, but I just wanted to let the recovery run, right? But we just turned around and that's all she wrote, so done. Okay. I mean, that's why you trade smaller with options, right? Smaller than you think you can, definitely, because you're going to take losses like this one, and you really don't want those losses to break your account. It was a bigger loss than I wanted, but my account is by no means broken, and my mindset is by no means, thrown off the rails, right? So that's okay. Now, the Home Depot trade, I did say that I liked it a lot more. And when did I go in? I went in at 11:08 yesterday. So, yeah, I think I went in there. Yep. Okay. So I went in here, and yesterday it did pretty good. And this was actually all-time highs at the time. We broke them. We set a new all-time high. Great. And from here we kind of like went down a little bit. Okay. No worries, because I have April's 9th $295 calls, which is very far away, so I was fine letting this unfold, right? Now, today has been a great day for this stock. It's not like it spiked like 20%, but it has just been going up with the Dow. The Dow started, well, I'll go into that later, but the Dow made a pretty big, look at this. The Dow gapped down and it went down, and from here it just kept going up, right? It just recovered perfectly. Now, HD trades in the Dow, and even though the Dow was going down, this was going up, right? So it is strong. And when we hit the all-time high, which was yesterday's high, we kind of stuck around there. You can see that I marked a new all-time high, and we ended like floating above it, right? Which is great, which is great. It looks very good for tomorrow. But by the way, this is a $300 level, just because round numbers tend to act as resistance or support, and I don't think we are going to break through this, but I think we might actually, get near 300. Okay. So, what did I do with this trade? I actually closed half my position at 354.48 today. So yeah, at the beginning of this candle, I closed half my position. Why? Because, okay, I like it, but I don't want the overnight risk. Okay, I closed it for 22.33%. Fine. Okay, it's not my 30% objective, but it's fine, right? And I do think this is gonna gap up, or if it doesn't gap up, it's gonna keep going, tomorrow. Much like ZM, which I closed for nothing, and then it just, the next day it went my way very much. I think this is gonna, do the same. It's going to really, I think it's going to go up tomorrow. Because look at this. It has been going up beautifully well. There is more volume today than there was yesterday, and the Dow has bounced back on this level, which was previous all-time high back in the day, or like resistance really. And then we are back up. We're going back up, right? Again, there's no guarantees. There's no guarantees of anything. So who knows what's going to happen tomorrow? I don't know, but I think we're gonna go up. However, I closed half a position in HD just to, manage my risk, right? But also to be able to take advantage of the trade if we do go up, and I don't want to miss the whole play, just like I did with ZM the other day. Okay. And yeah, what happened today with the indexes? Well, the SPY, let's see, let's look at it on the daily. The SPY went up. Great. It ended green for the day. Good. There's more volume than there was yesterday. Okay. But we're still kind of trending down. I mean, I'm all for breaking this high now so that the downtrend is officially over, but right now, high, lower high, maybe lower high, low, low, lower highs, lower lows. This, my friends, is a downtrend, and that's it, right? Just look at it that way. Today we gapped down, and much like we saw on the WYNN chart, we had this weird like swing, and after that it was straight up, right? I mean, yes, we did have a little pullback here, but the SPY recovered nicely today, and there was volume towards the end of the day. The Nasdaq, let's see the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, remember you guys, I said that every time we hit this level we bounced up? Well, we didn't bounce just yet, but I mean, look at this. We are not really getting far from it. Yeah, we went down, but we're back right here, right? But I don't like the Nasdaq too much right now. It's just very choppy. And finally, the Dow, like I said, the Dow looks really good, really strong, and I think we still have a little, we might be going up from here. We have kind of, taken a break for the last 5 trading days, but I think that might be over and we might continue to go up, maybe. Okay, great. Thank you so much for checking out the video, and I will talk to you tomorrow, alright? I do think I will be closing the other half of HD because I don't like keeping trades overnight, much less over the weekend, right? And I'm doing this just to test, just to get better at swing trading, but still I don't want to force the machine, especially in this environment, which is very, very, very choppy. So yeah, good stuff, guys. I will talk to you tomorrow. Alright, cheers, bye.